Guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. It's Pesto here, and I just want to check in and tell you guys that I haven't quit YouTube, and I'm slowly gonna return by two videos a week or more, but not daily vlogging. And I have some exciting news. I have a brand new car, and it's outside. My 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. So I'm at the boat launch watching the sunset because it's really beautiful tonight, and I just wanted to say thanks for watching my video, and I hope you subscribe and leave a like, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.